Are these new S26 Ultra cases from CASEKOO going to be worth it for your new phone? Let's find out. So these actually come in a variety of colors, and I do want to show off some of my favorite ones. If you like more neutral colors, you've got the black colorway and then also the white colorway, which I do like the most. But there are some lighter color options like this light blue, or if you're more of a dark colored person, you've got this nice purple color. Now, when it comes to the case itself, you do have some protective features. For example, around the camera lens area, you do have a piece that does pop out. What that essentially does is protect your lenses if you do drop it lens side down. You do have that popped out piece right there to protect all of them since it is popping out over them. You've got a nice hard backing, so going to be great for shock absorption. And then all four corners do have these hidden bumpers. So if you drop it on the sides or the corners, a lot better for shock absorption as well because it'll be absorbed by the corners. The case also is MagSafe compatible, and it does have a great MagSafe hold, so going to be great for any MagSafe accessories that you do have. And that ring also does turn out into a kickstand, so fold that out and now you can get your vertical viewing or even your horizontal viewing too. And that also does turn 360, so multiple angles is what you're getting when it comes to the ring. Or if you want to turn it sideways and use it for more support as a ring holder, you can do that too. As far as the screen side, the case does hang over just a little bit, so you will get some screen protection, but obviously if you want full protection for your phone, I'd recommend just pairing this case with a screen protector. Overall though, if you are looking for a new case for your S26 Ultra, would definitely recommend these from CASEKOO. Really sleek, love the design, and it also has all the protective features and also convenient features that you need to make this a great daily case.